Hello, and welcome to the Yard Ramp Guy How-To video series. In this video, we are walking through the safe and proper way to load a mobile hand crank yard ramp onto a flatbed trailer using just one forklift. There are several ways to load a yard ramp, but in this video, we're focusing on the one forklift method. This option uses the least equipment. To view other methods, visit videos.yardrampguy.com. Before we get started, make sure you've got your safety gear: work gloves, hard hat, and steel-toe boots. Don't forget to be safe out there. You'll need one forklift with enough lifting power for your ramp, ideally rated at least 2,000 pounds above the ramp's weight. Make sure it has long fork extensions for balance, plus a ramp clamp and/or lifting straps or chains. All right, let's get started. The flatbed trailer will arrive in position for loading. Position your forklift on one side of the ramp near the top apron. With your fork tines under the structural curbs and straddling the leg assembly, make sure they reach across the full width. Alternatively, you may choose to rig for lifting by positioning the fork tines over the top of the ramp and using 4 lifting straps or chains through the structural curbs. Slowly lift the ramp until the wheels are just higher than the flatbed deck. Then, have your flatbed driver carefully back up under the ramp. Take it slow and steady. Communication is key. Lower the ramp onto the trailer deck and back away until the forks are clear. Now it's time to attach your ramp clamp. Place your ramp clamp in the slot and rotate it clockwise. Align and slowly drive your forklift into the ramp clamp. If you don't have a ramp clamp, loop lifting straps or chains around the fork tine and hook the bottom through the slot in the apron. Now you can lift and maneuver your ramp. Now that you've gotten your ramp clamp attached and fork tines in place, lift the bottom apron of your ramp about 4 to 6 inches above the flatbed, then gently push the ramp toward the cab end of the trailer. The driver will guide you from there. Trust your flatbed driver. The flatbed driver will dictate how far onto the deck he or she wants you to push the ramp. Lower the forklift until the bottom apron touches the trailer and the ramp is completely on the flatbed. Then you can remove the clamp and back up a bit. Before backing completely away, make sure the flatbed driver is satisfied with the positioning of the ramp on the flatbed and back away. The flatbed driver will then secure it with straps. Be sure the ramp clamp is secured with zip ties so it does not fall off during transport. And that's it. Your mobile yard ramp is safely loaded and ready for the road. For more information, call 888-977-4224 or visit us at yardrampguy.com.